All right, so to answer a question, you have three in each package. The $100 package, the 250 package, you have three real-time bar colors. All right. In the indicator suite, in total, you have more. All right. So because if you're getting the ultimate, you're going to have the three that comes with the standard. How sensitive they are, again, that's a whole nother thing. All right. The ultimate detection is for just that ultimate detection. So we want to get a lot closer. Now, this is an actual bar color that's outlining the bars. It's a bar color as well. I had to do that for this morning, make sure you guys can see both. All right, so it's an actual bar color from this morning's video. And of course, this is ultimate detection bar color as well. So you get these three if you get the ultimate. And of course, you get these three, and hopefully it'll fire. I've tried to let some bars kind of cue in so that way you can kind of see it at work a bit, if you're just pulling it up. Coming out of it, came down, right into that bar. Didn't want to get, and then they turned and did the same thing up here. All right. So just wanting you to see some of it. Of course, I can't, sit here through the whole video and just let it keep calculating, but they're trying to sell. They just had a break of new how you get it, right? You can kind of see it coming in here. So yes, you do get three in the standard, you get three in the ultimate. It's just the ultimate is what? Ultimate detection. So there's a little bit more involved. And then, of course, here, because the platform has its own price, own value, just kind of making price levels dark that has a lot of value. Yeah, I get that, but you need to know what's happening on these price levels with the ultimate detection. That's what it's there for. Now, if you do have the ultimate detection, you can layer any one of these six onto that millisecond chart and overlay that 1 minute bar. You can absolutely do that, if you prefer. Now, I must tell you, I am not looking at the markets through just this kind of lens. I'm not. All right. I do look at broader views. I've put these charts in front of you before, kind of early on all channels. But because the participation is very lacking at times, I can't consistently just keep delivering content that can allow you to stay in trades for days. Just yesterday, I said, hey, they're sensitive down here. 3 minutes into yesterday's video on futures trading, and they went up all day. And so I'm not just looking at the market through that lens. And I do have, they failed from this morning's video. They've been falling ever since. So I'm not just looking at the market via, hey, this approach here. Okay, I'm not doing that. But yes, you do get that functionality. It's absolutely there for you. So if you're getting the ultimate detection, you'll have more. If you're getting $100 purchase, oh yes, here we go, here we go, here we go. If you're getting, this one hasn't fired yet. It hasn't fired yet. I was trying to hold video long enough for it to do it, but I can't be up here but for so long. Let me give it maybe another minute or so and see if this can pick up on what's happening. So yes, you get a fair amount. Again, remember, if you're getting the standard, there's other bar colors in the actual list. Matter of fact, I want to make sure I show you this. Let me go grab that chart real quick. Gotta go grab it. All right. So your millisecond here that has these numbers, it has a bar color associated with it. I'm just applying the text onto the chart to provide you more information. All right. So now when it comes to, let me just slide this out the way. I'm just trying to slide. Got a couple monitors here. When it comes to the range chart that I just showed you, there's text on this too. It has bar color. So every time you're seeing these little red markers, it's a bar color associated with it. It absolutely is. I'm using markers to just put more information into the screen. Okay, there we go. There we go. So they're doing something funny up here. So I want to make sure that either package, you're okay. All right. I just want to make sure I share that with, someone. And I want to make sure that they hear me. Whenever it comes to whichever purchase, my goal is to ensure that you get timing. You want better timing? Oh, I got tools for that. If you want a reference, because the market kind of ran on and you want to know what's going on, should they want to pull back? I got that too. I got support and resistance tools. I got supply and demand tools. That's why I told you yesterday in yesterday's video, hey, they're sensitive on this price level. I know that there's an indicator in my indicator list that would have told you the same thing, that they're sensitive. There is a reason for them to rotate here. So this information is provided to you long before they get there. And I want to make sure I say that. I have a market analyzer that provides me prices before I even get started. So I just need one price. I've done that on TikTok. I told you guys about that price on TikTok. And Didn't no one want to like the video. All right, and that's what's crazy. I mean, I gave you the price, and they stayed beneath it all day long, and I did it on Day Trader Today as well, and they went down for days. So again, I have information for people that want to hold trades forever. If you want to just scout, I got that too. All right. So that's my time with you. I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care.